Alright guys, this is a quick follow-up video of the Takstar SGC-698. Today we're going to be comparing this microphone to the built-in one in the Canon EOS M. Looking at the Takstar microphone first, one of its main features are that it's fully aluminium with a built-in shock mount, along with its stereo pickup technology and built-in 20 decibel amplifier that allows you to stand further away from the microphone and still get clear audio. It features a 3.5mm mini stereo connector which allows you to connect this microphone to many DSLRs and other sound recorders. Now moving on to the Canon. This Canon features stereo audio with an inbuilt amplifier, but as you can tell the audio quality isn't very clear and it picks up a lot of crackling and environmental sounds.